Welcome back to Module 6, Lesson 2, and we are going to get stuck straight into myself, which is the acronym that we are going to learn to make sure that you can continue this journey throughout your life. This is it. So today we are going to look at mindset, and then over the next couple of days we're going to work through myself. So let's get into it. So in our journey so far, you have talked and done a lot of work for me over these last 6 modules, and you have 1 looked at mindset, 2 looked at belief systems, and you've challenged them, you've questioned them, you've really dug a little bit deeper into figuring out where you've received some of these belief systems from and how you got stuck on that autopilot through the way our brain works and through the way our body loves homeostasis and perceptions. And so we've got all this information about why you've gotten to this point and why you've maintained it for such a long time. So now what I want you to do is to pull all that information, get all the different handouts that we've been giving you over the past couple of weeks, get them all together. Anything that you think is related to mindset or belief systems or the way you've set things up earlier on, pull them all together, have a really good look at them. And I want you to really pull out some threads in there, some consistent behaviors and consistent belief systems that you've noticed throughout your whole life. And you could literally pick up those patterns and pop them into any situation that you have trouble in. Go, okay, I'm doing the same pattern over and over again. So what I want you to do, below is a handout, and it's that STOP acronym. We've kind of touched on it a bit earlier, but I really want to go into a little bit more detail now. So I want you to have this acronym somewhere in your head, somewhere nice and close by, somewhere where you can constantly be thinking about this for the next day or two, because I want you to stop, literally stop, and get off autopilot. And I want you to really start to think about what it is that you are doing repeatedly, what it is that you are doing that you are not actually noticing, and more importantly, not challenging. So we do want to stop and have a big think about what you are doing and what you then can put into place to make it different. And that will be related to your values. So your job to pull all that stuff that we've done so far in together, anything related to your mindset, and it will be challenging those beliefs. It will be figuring out who your most important people are in your life. It will be a little bit about your personality type and what you know about yourself as well, and your attachment styles. But more importantly, it is how you maintain this through what you believe to be true about yourself. And now that we've started to formulate a different sense of self based on your values, we can start to really challenge what it is we've been doing so that we can make it different in the future. So M for mindset, go and look for all your different information that you've received so far about what you believe, and pull it together and use that acronym all day long until it starts to be a little bit more familiar to you, and it starts to be something that you will instantly do rather than get on autopilot and do the same thing over and over and over again. Good luck. So, but in the meantime, please remember to be kinder to yourself than anybody else can be in this journey. And I'll see you in Module 3.